Hello my dear students, welcome back to another video of class 7. Today I am going to teach science of class 7 and we will take a new lesson. So before starting the lesson, let me help you to recall some basic ideas which will help you to understand today's topic. So we all know that all organisms need food. All organisms need food, water and oxygen for survival. So all living organism needs food, water and oxygen for survival. If chadaba yade ising changi oxygen changi adu ani subada ngasai masi mayamsi transport tawonu su mathau tai. So they need to transport all these to various parts of their body. Transport to various parts of their body. To various parts of their body. So all organisms need food, water and oxygen for survival. Anisuba si karino masi meham si they need to be transported to various parts of the body. Masi body parts atopa jagasing su thaba si mathau tai masi akone tamdu si transport ki batang transportation in animals and plants. As food, water and oxygen si kamaina transport to kamaina mapom manda puthok pusin to gi batang transportation in animals and plants. Transportation in animals and plants. So the name of the lesson is Transposition in Animals and Plants, and this is lesson number 11. So we have three subtopics in this lesson. So we'll start with the first topic, that is a circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. See, circulatory system blood vessels, heartbeat. See, blue color na blue ink na highlight to topic masamari muyawi blood havema blood vessels havema heart, then heartbeat. So in this particular subtopic, circulatory system, we are going to learn about blood vessels, heart and heartbeat. So we will start with blood. Blood blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessel, which flows in blood vessel. Blood vessels in a blood ki matung da tak to ni blood vessels. So blood is a fluid which flows in blood vessels. It transports substance like digested food. Is na kai da mating pangi transport to. Kai transport to buda is na transport to buda mating pangi transport to dusina kadi no hai matam da. Transport digested food transport to blood ki say digested food transport from the small intestine to other parts of the body. It carries oxygen putopusin to it carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. It also transports waste material also transport for removal from the body. Since the name of the lesson is Transportation in Animals and Plants, and regarding the transport in human animals, blood sina puthopusin tawi digested food from small intestine to different other parts of the body. It also carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. Then it helps for it also transport waste for removal from the body. ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛ ꯄꯨꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯏꯅꯣ ꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ how does the blood carry various substances kamaina puthok pusin tawi yengasi blood is composed of a fluid called plasma abama yawi blood is is in a substance me amsi kamaina puthok pusin tawi haidi plasma hai bisi mating ni ado asida palisi red blood cell rbc having su palle. One type of cells are the red blood cells, which contains a red pigment called RBC. Red blood cells is the hemoglobin called red pigment. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin number of the the hemoglobin red pigment. So RBC contains a red pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin functions in the hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transport it to all parts of the body and ultimately to the cell. Oxygen puthok pusin tawisi hemoglobin mating e de hemoglobin yawna maram moidana sai oxygen ji puthok pusin tawini and the presence of hemoglobin makes blood red e ngang isisu blood red easy angang mo chu isi hemoglobin yawugini because hemoglobin is a red pigment ni aduga oxygen puthok pusin tawisi in oxygen putopusin torisi masi hemoglobin sigi mating nani so which is also given in your textbook that the hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transported to all parts of the body and ultimately to all the cells. Plasma layer plasma putopusin torigida RBC oxygen putopusin torigida plasma digestive putopusin torigida the waste putopusin tobuda RBC oxygen putopusin toba then white blood cell cells it helps to fight against germs that may enter our body fight germs koi haksang da germs changsalakuma matam da mana thui ahum so the platelets pire platelets so plasma is mentioned blood high topic sida plasma is mentioned, RBC is mentioned, WBC which helps us which fight against germs that may enter our body. Last is platelets. Platelets na mo kayo daw when e thok matam e khak e thok matam so e thwe matang le e khaki clot to the clot is formed because of the presence of another type of cell in the blood called platelets. Masigi platelets na maram moidana ni apane e thok matung da e khak clot to phudu platelets ki mating the plasma RBC WBC platelets si myam si e the long yaw the blood is transport to buda my function myam ju si high gre next topic next is circulatory system in manung da blood vessels blood lo gre next is blood vessels circulatory system high ba sub topic si ki manung da blood liner re is blood vessels class blood vessels is the pipe kum ba hai tare e pudo to sin to no two types of blood vessels masidapi is makalani pire arteries havema then veins havema arteries havema veins havema makalani pire arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body arteries ina kai pudoiba arteries ama the veins blood vessels ni haidi e puthok pusin tawno pipe haida icham yamna simple words the harigadi arteries haibusina karma makhalgi e pune have oxygen yaw oxygen rich blood pudai oxygen rich blood from the heart from the heart to different parts of the body aduga veins ina kai wedaba oxygen yaw veins are the vessels which carry carbon dioxide rich veins na carbon dioxide rich blood carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body oxygen yaurba isina arteries ta chengani oxygen sizinaba loirakanda asai respiration da oxygen sizinaba loirakanda carbon dioxide pithorok matamda carbon dioxide yaw isina veins ta pugani So oxygen rich blood si na heart tagi tholakpa madugumba blood vessel na arteries kore heart ta changjan gi ba carbon dioxide rich blood puba madugumba blood vessels na veins kore arteries na khar thagani. The arteries have thick plastic wall. Arteries na khar thagani when compared to veins. Veins na wall ki matong mating na easy nga sa heart ta changjalak pani. Capillaries having blood vessels, the capillaries having yauri capillaries. So when you look at your textbook page 125, you will find pictures demonstrating or pictures diagram of a circulation as I veins, arteries, capillaries. Capillaries hai sine kari no have the arteries divide to it. Heart to gi laiba blood vessels arteries divide to give masa masa masi bo ko smaller vessels ta divide to give do heart to gi blood vessel arteries divide to into smaller vessels madu bo ko capillaries ko gi masi capillaries punjal laga join to form veins which empty into the heart masi arteries smaller vessels masa masa the on garni masi masa masa se horen punjal laga veins on it do heart to changi. So masa si bukuna capillaries ko. Next is heart. Think of this heart lasi. Heart si sagi circulatory system ni manu chali. Heart. The heart is an organ which beats continuously. Adum chong nga laiba. Asi chong si kay manam ni no hai matamda pump for the transport of blood. Blood transport, blood see different parts of the body the transport on the damakta. Was I give pump to no matter more than him, heart, which carry other substance with it, which must the easy the atopa, the estate food yauri, the waste material yauri. Mayam yauri masi puto pusin to no mapong the puto pusin to matamda a tawduini heart sina adun masi lepa yadavnina adun pump to adun chongalai heart ki matang la adi. When you look at page number 124 you will find a section of human heart, diagram of human heart. Masi heart chi chamber mari ni khaju isi. So the heart has 4 chambers. Chamber marini. The upper chambers are called the atria. Mathakisina atria kawi. Singular than atrium havdini, and the 2 lower chambers are called the ventricles. Ani ni khaidu isina makha isina ventricles kawi. So when you look at the diagram of heart in page 124, you will find that the upper portion is written as, this one is written as right atrium and this one is left atrium. Atria are plural ni, atrium are singular ni. Adakta ani makhada ni. Chamber 1, sorry. Adakta chamber ani lere, makhada chamber ani lere. Mathak isna atria kawi, makhag isna ventricles kawi. Atria sina collect wamni, ventricles sina thadoi. Sina sona kangi right ventricles sina lungs the thanabani, left ventricles sina different parts of the body thanabani. Atria sina collecto, different parts of the body degi collecto hoga store to wamdina right atrium ni duga lungs ta oxygen carbon dioxide on thong na matungda oxygen rich blood store to wamdina left atrium then aduna atria sina store to wamni ventricles sina thadui thawasima makhalani sure lungs ta thawa haibamga the different parts of the body thava hai collect to bundu makhalani sui different parts of the body degi lak blood collect to bum haibama madegi carbon dioxide si oxygen on tho matung da lungs ta on tho matung da heart la ga store to bum hai adugi matung ina sai chamber mari si khaidor pani different parts of the body degi lakpa different parts of the body dagi lakpa blood si left sorry right atrium left atrium sina right ventricle sina left ventricle sida collect tawrani masida collect tawro matungda masida tarani sidagi lungs ta thagi si thai lungs ta ni thadoisi lungs tagi oxygen ga carbon dioxide ki onthongna matungda si different parts of the body dagi laibasi carbon dioxide rich blood ni masi lungs ta tharaga carbon dioxide oxygen onthongna oxygen rich blood sina left ventricles they store tawrani left ventricle left atrium they store tawrani left atrium dagi left ventricle da tarani left ventricle dagi different parts of the body da thagi the black color na so tawrisina blood rich in carbon dioxide ni black color sina red color sina blood rich in oxygen ni man thadu thajin taw aduna different parts of the body dagi lakpa blood which is rich in carbon dioxide is collected in the at the right atrium. With the help of a right ventricle, it is pumped to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is replaced by oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood is collected at the left atrium, which is pumped to the different parts of the body by left ventricles. And then the ventricles in a pump to the atria in a collectable. So my to heart si chamber mari. Next is heartbeat. The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. The rhythmic contraction followed by heartbeat which is the last topic of circulatory system. Circulatory system lastly the rhythmic the rhythmic contraction contract over followed by its relaxation constitute a heart masibu when a heartbeat kawi heart dak chung di mana hai si masi doctor na stethoscope ki mating na masi taba ngami aduga doctor na masi tara kanda masagi problem laiba khopudu doctor na identify tawba ngami stethoscope ki mating na madu ta doing heartbeat ki si. Second topic is excretion in animals. Excretion in animals. Second topic is excretion in animals. Excretion in animals. So when our cells performs their function, certain waste products are released. Cells function when our cells perform their function, cells in function waste material waste product release. These are toxic masigi waste products toxic way haidi haksang manung da yam kuina leibe aroi akhoi da sok na bigi masang amo wai aduna hence they need to be removed masi ko na lathokpa tai toxic oibna maram moidina masi ko na lathokpa tai. The process of removal of waste produced in the cell of the living organism is called excretion. Masigi lathokpa sibu akhoi na excretion ko cham wahini akhoi cells si cells in magi function si loy matungda haidi man tawdaba thabak si loy matungda waste product me am release to pithorei masi toxic oi hakoi haksang da yam kuin lesson be ari masi lathokpa tai masi lathokpagi process si bo kana excretion ko wi ha. The excretory system in humans pire excretory system in humans. Excretory system in humans. Excretory system in humans. The kidney function see briefly is they explain the waste which is present in the blood. Waste the blood. In the starting of the lesson, we have learned that all digested food, oxygen, these are all transported with the help of blood in human beings. And then obviously after the cell performs their function, waste product will be released. Blood waste product. So you know they're going to ease na putupusin lo na magtawbanina waste product to eat the yarn. I don't know waste see which is present in the blood waste has to be removed from the body. Since masiki waste toxic way no this is done by the blood capillaries in the kidney. As blood purification si kanan tawi kidney aduna maram moidanani when anga moini ngai hanjan na tamala isi we should drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day. No mada ako yamdrabada glass nipan thau haisi ising glass nipan mu thau haisi kaino di blood purification si kidney na tawi adu amot pa singdu urine de chakire kidneys ni ani yawni ko. So the waste dissolved in water are removed as urine. Masigi amot pa si kay sakidoino urine adu ising jam thapiyo habni. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder. Kidney degi kay desakrani. Kidney the waste material si asagi urine si the urine kidney degi waste material si urinary bladder the chakrani. Urinary bladder the salisi through the tube man ureter high mating sina. Ureter high urinary bladder is the urine. It is stored in the bladder and is passed through the urinary opening at the end of the muscular tube called opening amiari at the end of the urinary tube called urethra. Opening in the urethra. So you can look at the diagram given in your textbook, human excretory system, and you will find diagram in page number 127. Through the formation of urine, yan hana urinary bladder the layani with the help of tube like ureter ki matingna kidney dagi urinary bladder the store to layani adore yam khala kanda through the opening called urinary opening urethra ki matingna mapan chakra. So an adult human being normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. No liter urine pass the urine consists of urine composition jimana pire urine which is 95% water urine ising waste toxic waste karino urine urea 2.5% urea 2.5% other waste products. The human waste is urea. Kidney purification. Last topic is transport of substances in plants. So, since the name of the lesson is transportation in animals and plants, the Mathangi topic last, which is the last topic of lesson number 11, is the transportation in plants. Transport of substances in plants. Transport of substances in plants. So food must be made available to every cell of an organism. Food see available when every cell of an organism, every cell. Transport of water and minerals have transpiration. Transport of water and minerals. Transport of water and mineral. Transport of water and minerals. So during photosynthesis, water and minerals are also required by the plants for photosynthesis. Masiki water and minerals si pambi na kamaina phangi aduga since leaves is the food factory of the plant, mana is the photosynthesis thok to inina mana yauna ba water and minerals si kanana pura yengasi, and after photosynthesis the prepared food should be transferred to all parts of the plant. Maduge transfer to buduna kanana to yengasi yana na kai photosynthesis to ba water and minerals lokotpa. Photosynthesis lower kanda masagi prepared food to different parts of thagi adu masidasu apana some simple way the pipe haitare pusin to no makhal ani tamani madu makhal ani do kekine yenasi transfer of water and minerals. So plants absorb water and minerals by the roots. Subsal medika subsal water and minerals ihana na pambina subsal si with the help of roots marana subsal wadunda. Plants have pipe-like vessels to transfer water and nutrients from the soil. The vessels are made of special cells. Blood vessel ki type vessel yawi masjid absorb water and minerals si thadok thazin tawnaba. The vessels are made of special cells. Masjid special cells si forming the special cell na sabani masjid ko na kai kawi masjid ko ba vessels si vascular tissue ko. Vascular tissue. So the vascular tissue for the transfer of water and minerals in the plant is called the xylem. And the vascular tissue ani tamani water and minerals si roots na subsala ba matungda mana tam na tha bi kana na thani xylem na thani. Then the food has to be transported to all parts of the plant. As I high photosynthesis lower ba matungda the prepared food to different parts of the plant tam tha doing masigi thado thazin to vascular tissue sina phloem ko. The xylem and phloem transport substances in plants. Aduna xylem and phloem ganani transport to the plants. Aduna transport of substances in plants di kanana tawi xylem and phloem. Xylem na water and minerals transport over phloem na after photosynthesis the prepared food is transported to different parts of the plant with the help of phloem. And phloem gi thabak tuni. Next is transpiration. 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 This is the last topic of lesson number 11. Transpiration. So not only water absorbed is utilized by the plant. Water absorbed to sangibudu plant na madu loinamok utilized to them. All are not utilized. Loinamok sina dia. All are not utilized. So the water absorbed by the plant with the help of roots for photosynthesis all are not utilized. Loinamok sina dia. The water evaporates through the stomata. Khare sizinarani ahen bedudi evaporate to thaya. Evaporates kana imatina stomata imatina. Evaporate to thoi stomata present on the surface of the leaves by the process masiki evaporate to sibu water evaporate to leaves na masibu koina transpiration ko. So since all the water absorbed by the plants are not utilized, khara sizinarani aduga khara makhai di evaporate to by thokidoini ko in the form of vapor through the stomata. Masiki process ko upon transpiration kawi. Transpiration ki kana bagi kene yengazi the evaporation of water from the leaves generate a suction pool. Masi evaporate to busina maram moidana suction pool lama generate to ai chingkhat paita. Suction pool which can pull water to great heights in the tall trees. Aduna ngasagi ising ji chingkhalais marana subsalaba matungda ising ji chingkhalais kana ibating na no transpiration gi mating na against the gravity deni kakhala kadisi masida tulu yaubunate aduna ngasagi chingkhali si ngasagi suction pool ama chingkhatpa ama yaubunani masi kana no chingkhalise transpiration hairiba process hai evaporate tawrabanina chingkhatpani. So with the help of transpiration sina yamna mateng pangi kaida mateng pangi hairagadi to pull water to a great height in the tall trees awang awang bu uda against the gravity da ising chis chingkhatpa matamda transpiration mateng pangi kari mateng pangi no hairagadi evaporate tawba matamda mana suction chingkhatpa pull lama mana generate taw. Not only this, transpiration and suction pull khatang nate my function chi ani pire. One is suction pull which help to pull water to a great height and also cools the plants. Pambi indhal evaporation to this indhal. Evaporation to by the water in the form of liquid to water in the form of vapor on top. Vapor on top the heat changi madu heat to pambi the low given muidana pambi indhal. And on transpiration function any period, one is suction pull which help to pull water to a great height and also it cools down the plants. Evaporation within pambisu indhali. So with this I'll summarize what we have learned today. So transportation in animals and plants ta akoina thadok thajin tawuma changi two different parts of the plant. Hadi digested food, oxygen, water sim jaga ama khaktang nate different parts of the body dasu yogadabani adu matang the blood ki matang da khoin tamgre. Then purification da kidney ki tamme excretion da. Then transport si plant ki dasu khoin hoji tamme xylem and phloem madu the transpiration haiba masu khoina nainagre magi function ani kana ba ani masu khoin nainagre. Next is evaluation, which will help you to check whether you understand the topic or not. So evaluation, I'll write down two questions. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? If the platelets yaudra de khoi kamain tongni hamika. Number 2 is what makes the blood look red? So please try to find the answers of this question, which will help you to check whether you understand the topic or not. So with this I conclude my lecture and lesson number 11 is complete. Thank you for watching. Thank you.